1. You can acquire money by working. 2. He will take a new job. 3. Doctors must be ready to go out. 4. He should do it right away. 5. He has of time to do it. 6. What is the between you and me? 7. There are many mountain peaks in West. 8. They are all voting for me. 9. There are few mountain peaks in Texas. 10. Uniforms are mandatory in class. 11. Are you going to pass on the exam? 12. They go to movies off and on. 13. The slacks are on sale. 14. Where did you turn in last night? 15. It is good to make reservation in advance. 16. There are many huge buildings here. 17. There are many rigid traffic rules. 18. The car stalled on the highway. 19. He managed to start the car. 20. I usually go by bus. 21. The class is over at 3:20 p.m. 22. He was under the weather yesterday. 23. You should take it individually. 24. They live there for good. 25. We should have a new furnace in here. 26. They imitate their parents. 27. You shouldn't increase the prices. 28. They got a ticket because of increasing. 29. Would you give me a ride? 30. There is much room on the bus. 31. I'm putting weight. 32. He was a real windbag. 33. Jane was a two-faced girl. 34. The thief was at large. 35. Who brought up this subject? 36. The flight was called off. 37. The book you bought was a good deal. 38. The commander called the sergeant in. 39. His score on ALC test was unbelievable. 40. Is it likely to rain this morning? 41. We have quite ample food here. 42. Each person stands for his country. 43. He was late on account of heavy rain. 44. Who took up the books? 45. Where do we have a dense fog? 46. Who is a plumber? 48. She uses a lot of makeup. 49. She had a valid excuse for missing the class. 50. He had a temporary duty last year. 51. Smoking is prohibited in here. 52. Where are the trousers that go with this suit? 53. There is a booth in a laboratory. 54. Mary is a timid girl. 55. I don't care for hillbilly music. 56. You may find more data in school. 57. There is a lot of barren land in USA. 58. There is a lot of arid land in USA. 59. There was abundant food left at the party. 60. Worn-out floor mats indicate high mileage. 62. You can acquire money by working. 63. I got my ticket confirmed last night. 64. Weatherman predicts rain today. 65. They have something fragile in that box. 66. Her father was well off before death.